You want to earn crypto safely without trading risk, but most people miss the easy options sitting inside a Coinbase account. I studied Coinbase Earn so you can start earning rewards in minutes, and I earned a little bit of crypto that should pay off over time. In this video, I'll explain how it works, the quiz strategy to pass fast, and the mistakes that block payouts. Stay for the verification step most users skip, the quiz trick that boosts accuracy, and what to do with USDC or stake options after you earn cryptocurrency. Coinbase lets users to earn small amounts of cryptocurrencies while actually learning. Let's start earning. What is Coinbase Earn? How it works, limits, and trust factors. Coinbase Earn is a learn and earn program inside your Coinbase account that pays you small amounts of cryptocurrency for watching short lessons and completing a quick quiz. It's designed to help users to earn while learning fundamentals. Think token utility, use cases, and basic tokenomics so you can recognize what you're holding before you trade or stake it. If you have the patience, you can earn little amounts of crypto over time, and it's even fun in the process. Eligibility depends on a few basics. You need to verify your identity, live in a supported region, and meet compliance requirements. That's why you and a friend might see different offers. Availability rotates by geography, user history, and partner budgets. Some accounts have multiple modules live. Others see none for a while. That's normal. You'll see simple offers. Watch a module, take the quiz, and earn crypto. Sometimes there are promos tied to USDC or a specific token's ecosystem. The key point is you earn cryptocurrency, not points or credits. The funding typically comes from projects sponsoring the education. Offers rotate, have per-user caps, and run for limited time windows. So, yes, things appear and disappear. If a card vanishes, the budget likely filled or the campaign ended. Why this matters? It's a low-risk way to learn concepts and earn crypto without trading first. You get context for new cryptocurrencies before deciding to convert, hold, or stake. Compared to third-party airdrops, doing this within a Coinbase account is straightforward. You're on a platform you already use, with standard sign-in and security. Common blocks include an unverified profile, incomplete tax details, region restrictions, or previous participation in the same campaign. If you don't see the Start Earning button, check your account verification status, tax info, and notifications. Mistakes to avoid: clicking random answers, rushing KYC, or ignoring the terms. Random guessing can trigger lockouts or slow approvals. And rushing identity verification can lead to mismatches that delay everything. Now that you know what it is and why offers vary, here's the step-by-step to start earning today so you can earn rewards and turn education into assets. Start earning, exact steps, quiz strategy, and what to do with rewards. Step 1. Verify your Coinbase account fully. Complete KYC with a clear government ID. Enable two-factor authentication. Confirm your email and phone, and add tax details if prompted. This unlocks most learn and earn offers and prevents payout holds. Troubleshooting tips: if your name or address doesn't match your documents, update your profile to match precisely. Make sure your document photos are sharp, glare-free, and not cropped. If it gets stuck, open a support ticket and give it a day or two. Don't submit multiple times in a row. Step 2. Navigate to learn and earn. Inside the app or web, look for Coinbase Earn or Learn. You'll see eligible cryptocurrencies and current rewards listed as cards. If nothing shows, check weekly. Offers rotate and can be refilled. Enable notifications so you get pinged when a new module goes live. Early participation matters because slots can run out. You can patiently earn over time. Wait for new offers to become available before you start earning again. Patience over time is key. Step 3. Take the lessons efficiently. Watch with light notes and focus on 3 anchors: ticker, use case, and token utility. Use the mnemonic USE, utility, supply, ecosystem. Utility. What problem does the token solve? Supply, fixed inflationary emissions. Ecosystem. The network, partners, and integrations. The thing most people miss is that the lesson slides and summary cards usually hint directly at quiz answers. So skim the summary once more before you hit the quiz. Step 4. Pass the quiz consistently. Strategy 1. Pre-read the question when available. It primes you to spot the exact phrase in the lesson. Strategy 2. Eliminate distractors, answers that are obviously off mission, like exaggerated yields or irrelevant features. Strategy 3. Cross-check key terms from the video with the options. Whichever answer mirrors the lesson's wording is often correct. Shortcut. Answer patterns repeat across similar modules. Terms like secure the network, governance, gas fees, staking, and stable value come up a lot. Keep a notes doc of repeat concepts so you move faster next time. Common mistakes: guessing fast, skipping the lesson, or triggering answer lockouts. If you do get locked out, check if reattempts are allowed later. Sometimes you can reopen the module after a cooldown. Step 5. Confirm you earn cryptocurrency. After you pass, check your wallet balance for that specific asset. It may take a moment, but you should see the deposit reflected. Small amounts add up across multiple modules. Know that each offer has a per-user cap. So once you complete it, that's it for that tokens campaign. If a reward is delayed, review the completion status in the module, double-check the region and eligibility notices, and confirm that your identity verification is complete. Step 6. What to do next with rewards. You've got choices. Hold the coin you earn if you want to track that ecosystem and learn from its price action. Convert if you prefer to consolidate into a core position you already analyzed. Many traders move small rewards into USDC for stability, then redeploy later. If staking is available for the asset, you might stake to earn rewards, but learn the details. Possible lockup, unbonding periods, slashing risk on specific networks, and how payout timing works. Always check spread and fees before converting or staking. Small balances are fee sensitive, and a big spread can eat the reward. A quick rule: if conversion fees push your net under a few cents, consider waiting until you have more rewards accumulated. Step 7. Tracking and risk habits. Use a spreadsheet or portfolio tracker and tag assets as earned versus funded. This keeps your psychology clean. You're practicing with house tokens, not risking core capital. For tax purposes, rewards may be taxable as income when you earn them. Export reports and keep timestamps. Security-wise, keep two-factor authentication on. Beware of phishing emails pretending to be Coinbase, and never share verification codes with anyone. Step 8. Maximize future offers. Complete all profile prompts, enable notifications, and check listings weekly. Participate early because offers are limited and region availability can change. Quick micro story. A viewer followed this exact routine for a few months, stacked multiple small earned crypto rewards into USDC, and later used that pool to test a staking strategy without touching their principal bankroll. It kept their learning curve steep, but their risk low. You've earned the assets. Now integrate them into your trading education so every new module expands your playbook, applying learnings to trading concepts. Now take those earned coins and turn them into reps. Use each asset to study tokenomics, circulating supply, emission schedule, and real utility, and connect that to price behavior on your charts. Build a watch list of the cryptocurrencies you earned inside your Coinbase account. Track catalysts like network upgrades, listings, or liquidity injections. And note how spreads change at different sessions. Practice risk with tiny positions. Plan an entry, set a stop, and define a take profit. Then review the outcome. Try a small stakes test if the asset supports it to learn about compounding and payout timing. Journal every move. What narrative pushed the candle? What liquidity pockets mattered? How slippage behaved? Then review your journal weekly to spot repeat mistakes and refine entries and exits. And study the coins you're accumulating so your thesis improves as your stack grows. The thing most people miss is that Learn and Earn gives you controlled sandboxes. Don't overtrade tiny balances. Focus on execution flow, market structure, and how news meets order flow. That's the skill you'll reuse with size.
Conclusion and CTA. Key takeaway: Coinbase. Earn is a learn and earn path to earn cryptocurrency, a practice process that sharpens entries and exits without extra risk. Verify, complete one quiz today, then choose hold, convert to USDC, or stake, if available. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials.